Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to cook egg noodle, fresh one. With fresh chicken breast, and pak choi. This is I have found in my core room. Or you can use choi some, can use broccoli, can use anything, any vegetable you like. Okay, this one I have sliced. Okay, this one I think about 100 gram of fresh chicken. Okay, this is the size I have sliced. Don't have to be too thick or too small. Put in the bowl. And then I marinate with the light soy sauce. I think just a little bit. Yeah. And black pepper. Okay, you just mix it. Okay. And I sliced pak choi. I think only 2 bunches enough for one serve. But this one I used half of this one, half of this bag. This one 400 gram. We used about 200 gram. Just cut the head and throw. Cut the head. Make it short. Okay. Okay, and the ingredient as usual: garlic, black pepper, and coriander root. The one I always show this one. Half tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. A little bit of beansprout and spring onion and chili. This one for dressing after we finish. Okay, but I'm going to boil this one. Boil the noodle about 1 minute. Just make it soft and easy to cook.
You got a haircut. Very nice.
Oh yes. No, I have prepared boiled water and easy to cook. This water I have boiled.
Different to the dry noodles.
Yeah.
Dry noodle, you just
Yeah, 1 minute. Oh, and I don't pour. Okay, 1 minute. Now this one soft. You just pour cold water in here. Okay, and now easy for you to cook. You can mix all these ingredient as I said. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Yeah, and or you can use the stir fry sauce, the one I have shown the earlier or previous video, yeah, or quite some time. And a little bit of dark soy sauce. Here you can see the size, just a little bit like this dark soy sauce. Yeah, that's it. When you stir fry, you just throw this one in the wok. Okay. Yeah, now I start to cook. Warm with the heat a little bit high. Cooking oil. Okay, now we cook chicken first. Okay, we warm the wok, and then we put garlic, black pepper, and coriander root, this amount, and then you fry it brown color, or you can smell it. Yeah, and after that we put the chicken. You fry about 3 minutes. The chicken have cooked. If you can see this one quite dry, or the wok can take burn, you just add a little bit of water. Okay, this one the chicken have cooked. Okay, you put pak choi. gas a little bit high. And you can see when the pak choi half cooked, then you put the noodle. Yeah, all noodle and waste and meat mix well. You can put the taste, the one we have prepared. Okay, let me taste first how the taste look like. Okay, put a little bit of last bean sprout. We top with spring onion, sliced spring onion, and sweet red chili.
Let's try this egg noodle. Oh, that's good. Oh wow. Just so easy. Full of flavor. Look at the noodles. Looks so nice. Soft, silky, moist. Oh, it's steaming up the camera. Really, really good. This is a great one for the family. So this is just like an update on our chow mein that we previously. I'm pretty sure we did a chow mein. If we did, it will be up here. But if you can get these egg noodles, I think for a pack is, I think it's about $2.75, something like that. And so if you're using half a pack for this, and this is a pretty big portion, I'll be honest.